Hello guys, I just woke up and this is what I usually look like after I wake up. I have very small eyes and I can barely open my eyes after I wake up. I wake up pretty late. It's like 12 o'clock right now. So yeah, I'm a pretty late riser. So I am going to get up, get freshen up, and then I'll talk to you guys. Hi guys, it feels so wrong to start the video without my classic intro. So let's get done with that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. This is Mona Khan, and in today's video we are going to be doing something very different. And in today's video we are going to be doing a day in my life. Today's day will be a little packed up, I think, because I have a lot to do. I have like 2-3 cakes to make. I have 2 cake deliveries. I have other itty bitty things to do. Tomorrow is also my sister's birthday, so I have that on the top of my head as well. So I'm going to take you guys through the whole day and show you whatever I do throughout the day. So if you guys are interested in watching what I do throughout a day, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. And if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me. I need to step out for a while because I need to buy some things, and I also have a blouse to get altered. So I'm going to do that. I really don't like stepping out of the house, especially in this heat, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm going to step out. I have returned and I have also changed. Nothing is better than home clothes. It's currently 2 o'clock right now, and I think I want to chill for a while because I just don't feel like doing anything. It was so hot outside. I'm already tired, but I think I'll have my lunch, take a bath, and then move on to making the cake. So yeah, I'm going to chill for a while. It's 2:30 at the moment and I'll have my lunch now. I'll have the basic ghar ka khana. I don't eat anything special on a daily basis. Some days I feel like having, outside food, so I get food delivered from Swiggy or Zomato. But on a daily basis, I have to eat ghar ka khana. Otherwise, my mom would kill me. So yeah, I'll have my lunch. I am on intermittent fasting right now. So I usually skip my breakfast and go for lunch directly. So I'll have my lunch and yeah, see you after that. Had my lunch, also took a bath and did my skincare as well. I'm not doing a lot of skincare and my skin has not been doing very great at the moment. My mom's phone is ringing, ignore that. So yeah, I'll get to work now. I have to finish the cakes. One delivery is at 5 o'clock and the other one is at 7 o'clock. So I have to finish them before the delivery time. I'll show you guys bits and pieces of how I make my cakes. It's 5 o'clock now and I'm still making cakes. I delivered one of them and I'm doing the other one that I have to deliver at 7. So yeah, I hate it sometimes, but I love it also. Today I also have to make my sister's cake that she will cut tomorrow because tomorrow is her birthday. So today is going to be a pretty long day. Finally done with this cake right here. This is what it looks like. This is a chocolate overload cake with gold details, and yeah, this is what it looks like. By the way, I also have a bakery page on Instagram and Facebook as well. It goes by the name of The Baking Booth. So if you are in Kolkata and you want delicious cakes, then you can follow me there. Just a shameless self-promotion. I had to go out yet again to deliver my cake and also to bring some Amul fresh cream because I need it for the other cake that I am making. And I'm super duper exhausted. It's been a long and tiring day and I still have a lot of work to do. I'm making my sister's birthday cake right now. She wanted a purse perfume themed cake, so I'm working on that only. And at the moment I'm chilling in my room with my sisters and they are asking me to not show them on camera, but I will show them on camera. This is my elder sister. She's hiding her face. Tomorrow is her birthday, 13th September, and this is my younger sister. She's pretending to be shy. Hi, so it's 9:49 at the moment. I slept for about an hour. I feel better now, but I have this acute pain in my back. It pains so bad that I cannot even move. But I still have to complete that cake because if I don't, my sister won't be able to cut her birthday cake. So I have to push myself and do it. It's currently 10 o'clock right now and I'm sitting on the sofa with my sister and Harsh. They're the most annoying people on planet Earth. They irritate the shit out of me. So this is my sister and this is Harsh. And he is enjoying the brownie and fudge that I made yesterday. How's it? I completely forgot to end the vlog last night. My head was paining so bad and my back was paining so bad I just could not do anything more, and it was my sister's birthday also. It is my sister's birthday today, so I could not end the live yesterday. My face is completely puffed up. I was supposed to apply hair oil on my hair yesterday night, but sadly I could not. So I'm thinking of applying the hair oil now. So I'm going to be applying the hair oil and I'll be using a product that I got in PR. So these are the two hair oils that I was talking about. I have the Origins Kalonji Black Sage Oil over here and I also have the castor oil over here. I think I want to use the Kalonji one today. So I'll apply this and then after about 2 to 3 hours I'll shampoo my hair. I really want to try these out because my hair are not in a very good condition right now, so I want to kind of take care of them. So I'll apply these and be right back, and after I apply this I'm going to end the vlog as well because this was supposed to be a day in my life and not 2 days in my life. So I'm not going to include today's day, and I just wanted to show you these hair oils, so I continued the video till today morning. And this is basically how my normal days are. They start in a very basic manner and they end in a very basic manner with a lot of tiresome things in the between. So yeah, this is what it is, and I don't do fancy things. I don't go out every day. I don't have crazy friends. Yeah, I do have crazy friends, but we don't go out every day. We don't go clubbing every day. I have a very basic and normal life, and most of my time is spent in either creating videos, editing, doing some makeup, baking, giving out deliveries. This is basically what I do every day. The only addition that there might be is that I do my online classes in the morning sometimes, and if it was not such a time and if everything was fine, I would be going to college. And that's all. I don't do anything much, so I've blabbered for quite some time now. I'll apply the hair oil. Applied the hair oil, and the auntie made this really weird braid for me. So I think we have reached the end of this video. I'm going to keep it till here only. I don't want to stretch this video anymore. I was very skeptical about this video, whether or not should I do it, because I did not think that anyone would be interested in seeing what I do in a live, because who am I? So after asking you guys on Instagram that if you guys wanted to see a day in my life or not, I decided on just doing it. So here it is. I really hope that you guys like it. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.